here we have some seasoning in Teleplay. And then what you can do is, give me a second, you can take this seasoning, take it out, and then start and there we go. And then put it back here. Maybe let's try that again. Okay, take it and start putting that seasoning on there. And maybe this is a little bit too much, like, you know, you have a piece of meat on those green cubes. It's literally a piece of meat. And then, you know, but I just decided to go all out. And I made this video specifically for Gary, who has Gary Killian's Kitchen. Here's his website right here. He has seasoning and rubs and sauces. So, Gary, this is just one idea I had for you. Obviously, there are other ways of making scenes with your rubs, seasonings, and sauces. But this is just one example. Let me know what you think. And so let me show you the setup I'm using, because the same physical setup can be used for pretty much any other scene that you make. So we have a green blanket on a wall, then we have 2 100-watt LED daylight bulbs, and we got 1, 2, 3 lights lighting the seasoning and the meat on top of the cubes, so that it looks like this. And then I, played around with some of these lights to make the lighting kind of match the digital background, just moving this around. And then let me show you what I'm doing actually inside the app. So for the actual background, all you have to do is search for grill. I added these into the app just now specifically for you. So wait about 10 seconds. And now go to photo preview. And then the one I used for this scene is called Grill 4. So if you press on that, it'll appear just like that, assuming you already did the calibration. And for the foreground effect, as you can see, I'm doing like a steam effect. And this is, if you go to food and drinks, go to looping steam rising 6. Resize it. And there we go. That's it for the whole setup of the app and the physical setup. And then just, So Gary, let me know what you think, or anyone else, if you have any comments, suggestions, or other ideas for another type of scene using seasoning related to barbecue or just grilling, please let me know. And as always, I'm here if you have any questions.